So guys, still in Bolton at the moment, and we're at a place called Venus Supermarket, which looks like it's a supermarket with a restaurant on the side. So apparently it's known for top tier kebabs and a meat selection, so let's give it a try. So here we are in Venus. Here's some of the menu that they've got. I've gone for, I think I'm going to eat this one, a mixed dinner. As you can see, they've got an awful lot on the menu. I can just pan down. It's like some chili sauce, hummus, tzatziki, and the various meats. Of course, we have the elephant legs at the back. So here we are, this is the mixed doner from Venus with garlic mayo and chili sauce on it. So this mix, which is chicken and lamb, along with some bread, and the two cans was $9.50. I think you'll agree with me, that looks incredible. Fingers crossed it tastes as nice as it looks. I mean, look at it. Does that not look sensational? So let's dig straight into this lamb, which looks, try and get the camera to focus on it. The lamb and the texture on there. Oh wow. That is proper meat. That is actual slices of actual lamb. I'm not messing around here. Wow, that has got some flavour. Try and show you that texture again. Look at that. I've got the meat, the fibres in the meat. To quote my pal Paul, that meat eats baggage. There's very much like a slight pepper and herby flavour coming from it. It's just unreal. Right again. Let's look at the quality of that meat. So I think they've done there is just, as you would with a chicken kebab, just getting layers of lamb, stacking it and then shaving it. It's the only way it doesn't really look that processed. It's got quite a bit of the marbling on the fat on as well. I'll say that again. It's got quite a bit of marbling off the fat on there, which sort of goes to prove it's not processed. It's not like a warehouse bought lamb. Same could be said about the chicken. Look at the chicken. It's got a proper texture to it. You see all the fibres and the burnt ends. That is like proper decent real meat. And you get 2 slabs. I'm checking a bit as to what bread this is, it didn't specify. But it's warm, it tastes fresh. It is dead daddy. Wow. I got a bit with quite a lot of chili sauce on there, and the sharpness caught me. This bread with this meat is just a winning combo. It tastes almost like it has the taste, not necessarily the texture of like a crusty cob. Which, for those proper Mancunians out there, it's basically just like a crusty pound cake. This is unreal. Just everything's got its own flavour. And each bit of it just speaks differently. Like, this is lamb and chicken. As I bite into it, you can taste both things. Or separate flavours at different times on the tongue. Try and get that to focus again. Look at that. Let's try some chips. Nothing to write poetry about, but the chips. It's not the centerpiece of this at all. I think I've got too much bread for what's in front of me. Let's try some of this salad. I can see some pickled cabbage, in front of me. I am surprised, it's not overly pickled. It's got pickled flavour to it, but it's not like over the top of it. Overall, it's got like a coleslaw taste to it. I mean, it's not after I do this, but it's solid. I'm well impressed with this. So what I'm going to do, I'll bring them nice and close, show you some of the burnt ends I can see in front of me on the lamb and the chicken, and we'll go from there. So now we're eating some, you can see some of the burnt ends underneath the sauce that I had on it. It looks fantastic. So guys, that was Venus Really, really good food. I had the doner and a chicken mixed kebab. And the lamb was just unreal. It's not normal doner kebab, it's actual lamb pieces stuck together and sliced, and it just tasted incredible. The salad tasted like coleslaw, it was really light and refreshing. Everything had this like dried mint on top of there, just lifted it again. For £9.50 as well for the kebab and 2 drinks, really good value for money. I actually feel quite stuffed after eating all that, including with the bread as well. So if I was to give that a rating, it's not as straightforward as you might think, but I think that might have to be a 9.5. It's not quite a 10, but it is top tier food, value for money. I don't know if they supplied themselves, it makes sense if they did, because it's a supermarket that leads into the restaurant bit. But yeah, that's a comfortable 9.5 for me. Incredible value for money, incredible taste, incredible experience. Well done, Venus Supermarket. So I'll leave this at it, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.